Writing code means giving your computer a clear and exact set of instructions it can follow. It's how we can tell machines what to do, step by step, every click, every button press, every animation. All of it happens because of someone wrote code to make it work that way. Anything with a plug, battery, or an internet connection runs on code. It keeps airplanes flying, lets you swipe your credit card, powers your phone or your car, even your washing machine. But here's the thing, computers don't actually know what to do. They have been told everything in extreme detail. Think of coding like trying to give directions to someone who has never ever seen a car. You would have to explain what a car is, how the steering wheel turns the tires, what the gas pedal does, and what to do if there's traffic or a flat tire. That's exactly what programmers do. They teach computers how to think and react to every possible situation. To understand, to understand where all of this began, we have to travel back to Industrial Revolution. In 1801, a man named Joseph Jacquard created one of the first programs. His invention, a waving loom, used a punched cards with holes to control how patterns were made. If a pin passed through a hole, it lifted the thread. If not, the thread stayed down. It was basically a physical version of binary, yes or no, 1 or 0. This concept inspired others. A few decades later, Charles Babbage designed the analytical engine, mechanical power that could perform calculations. That idea evolved over time, and eventually punched cards were replaced by transistors, tiny electronic switches that can turn or car on and off, representing ones and zeros. Today, our computers use billions of these transistors. Principle is still the same, combinations of on and off signals from the language computers understand binary. To communicate with them, we use programming languages like Python, JavaScript, or C++. These are just sets of rules humans can read and write, which are later translated by compilers and assemblers into binary, the true language of machines. Think of ones and zeros as the alphabet of computer. On their own, they don't mean much, but when you combine them in different ways, they can create everything from videos, games, to music apps, just like how 26 letters can perform Romeo and Juliet or The Great Gatsby. In the end, coding is like writing a recipe, a set of precise instructions, but instead of cooking ingredients, we're combining logic, creativity, and code to make something come alive on screen. And once you realize that, it's easy to see coding isn't just for computers, it's a modern form of creation.